off to get the lad back from the army. That's it. Someone's looking forward to him coming.
Morning. Afternoon.
Afternoon, Bab.
Evening.
Afternoon. Yes, we thought we'd take you on a little journey. We're going to get the train to go and meet him halfway because somebody can't wait. Bless her. Yeah, so feel a lot better. Still got a banging headache, but I feel 100 times better. I don't know what happened the other day, but I went really dizzy.
You weren't well, was you?
Nah, Nat said the colour drained all out my face. I sat on the...
For about a day and a half. There was no colour in your face for about a day and a half.
Yeah.
I'm really worried about you.
I got on the settee, we opened the windows, yeah, and I just slept. I opened the windows because I thought maybe it might have been a bit of gas or something, but...
I think it was the chemicals off that cooker.
You think?
But I also think it was coming down with something because your nose was running for a few days, wasn't it? You kept saying my nose is doing my head in.
I went really ill. Yeah, and I got on the settee and I just collapsed. Not collapsed, but collapsed and conked out, didn't I? We opened the door, and then when it happened to me, after I turned the camera off, Nat said she felt dizzy, didn't you? Yeah, and she felt dizzy and sick, so I don't know what it was. Yeah, but we've only just had a gas leak inspection, so we know it's not that. And the carbon monoxide thing never went off or anything, so I don't know what it was. It was just, woof. But anyway, I feel a bit better now. I've got a headache still, but I'm feeling okay myself. And a bit of fresh air might do me good as well. So, we're off on the train journey, so I'll take you for a bit. We're at the station. Boom. It's only about 5 minutes from our house, so it's quite handy. Yeah. Train's in about 15 minutes, I think. Then we go to Tamworth, then we change. And then we get on that one, and then we meet him. They've all had an exam this morning, so that's why they're all like coming out. So it's been out at 9. But they had an exam, so never let him out till 12:30. I think he gets back here about, well, we get back here about 4 o'clock this afternoon, so I mean, can't wait to see him, so we'll go a little trip and meet him halfway. Knowing our luck, we got on the wrong train. Boop.
I'm bothered about a Tamworth lift.
Remember what happened? Tell them what happened.
I got stuck in a lift for 2 hours with 2 little babies.
They were only young, weren't they?
Doors opening. Lift going up.
Yeah. And I told her she had to stay there. Wouldn't come get her.
No, 2 hours.
Doors closing.
2 hours.
And I pulled the door open and we were like that far away from the floor. Someone couldn't get out.
Calling up summer, weren't it?
Yeah, it was horrible. Panic attack.
Panic
I was really worried about her.
Couldn't get your
Platform.
thingy to phone me, could you? You couldn't get your signal. You're stuck in the lift to phone me.
It's horrible. I hate this. Like the one at Tamworth.
Doors opening.
Horrible.
Doors closing.
You have to go down, yeah?
Yeah, go down the other side. 5 minutes. We got 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
5 minutes, in loads of time.
We'll go to Tamworth and you'll go to Birmingham. We'll go to Tamworth.
I know. I've got a funny feeling he's going to get on the Birmingham train. I've already got a funny feeling. Not bothered about Tamworth, it's only down the road. When we get on the other train, I've got a funny feeling he's going to get on the wrong train. Because he hasn't been on this train before. I've got a really funny feeling. I go, I'm in Birmingham. I say, well, wait there. I know it.
Doors opening. Lift going down.
Lift going down.
Doors closing.
Yeah, he knows what time the train comes, okay? He knows it's
Yeah,
not
I know.
right. We'll wait for you. Love ya. Love you, bye, bye. Bye, sweetheart.
Oh, go on, Bab. Just. Oh yeah. Ow! Pardon me then. I'll leave you there and I'll go there.
Private, first
Yeah,
class.
yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm not first class.
No, you're a commoner.
I'm a commoner. Nice.
Commoner. Only 5 minutes.
Trainman's got the right idea. Just put the heat on.
I did tell you to put a hat on, didn't I? Didn't I?
I'm so cold.
I said bring your gloves and put a hat on. You have got your gloves, but you don't put a hat on. And I used to like at stations, the wind blows. Doesn't it? You're like an Eskimo.
Blow through my ears and I
Don't get too comfortable because we've got enough now.
I'm staying on here. It's too nice on here.
Bless her.
Show that one.
So you're outside. There's nothing there. There's outside, look. It's great, isn't it? Woo! Oh, there's a truck, look. Woohoo, Bab. What do you want to see? Yeah. There's that HS2 rip-off thing there, look. Big scam, look at it, what they've done. This is all countryside, this was. All countryside and farmers and that.
Cows.
It's all been wrecked.
Yeah, ruined it in
Yeah.
Feel bad. Just to join the motorway that's over here, isn't it?
Just, yeah, and over that side as well. It's just spent all that money, didn't they? For nothing.
Trying to sort of
I'm sweating body seating.
maybe we can go to the school,
Look, you got this seat. No. Anything else you want me to show them? We're outside. No. Fields. They don't even know cows, it's too cold. Six-minute journey. Yeah. Hmm?
It's not bad.
No, it's easy enough, innit? There's only a couple of minutes from the station, so.
I don't want to get off now. It's not
You've got to get off and then get on the next train. So, never mind, eh? Never mind. You ain't even going to have time to get a coffee because the train's in 10 minutes. So, you have to wait until you get to the next place. Yeah. I know what time the train comes. Oh. Well, I'm recording. What? Well, he doesn't go on trains, does he? So he doesn't know. Does he? Coming back there. His first time he's done it there, coming back there. Not a train.
No, not
Coming back with on that train and changing where he's got to change.
He does, but he doesn't.
Because he understands he hasn't been on that train and where to get off, does he? Get off now then. Huh? Yeah, wait till it stops because you'll wobble.
Service now having to Tamworth, changing hands to Harlow platforms for services towards Derby, Nottingham and
Oh, what's that? What's that? Okay. It's high, isn't it, that?
thing, and if
Hey? We've got to go up the lift, down the lift, then back up the lift.
okay, come on then, let's go.
So,
I'll just follow you.
can't even until 10 past anyway, I think, or something.
Doors opening.
Doors are opening. Go on, sweetheart. Yeah, go on, bud.
There was somebody else, but
Yeah, the next one, mate. Yeah, sure. Get you in. All right.
Doors closing.
This lift. Oh no, it's the other one, but I just hate because I go. Please don't break.
Doors opening. Lift
Doors
going down.
opening. Huh?
I hate how much.
There.
This one here, I don't know.
Eh?
It's this one here. This one me and Paige got stuck in.
No. That's all we need.
That's so.
Yep.
Man. Why am that stuff so difficult?
Yeah.
Why would you have to go?
What can I have a lift for either
all the way
side?
round,
I
to
know,
go
yeah.
all the way up, to go all the way down, to go all the way round, to go all the way up. Do this thing, man. Don't think.
Go back
Little
down.
platform, go straight across.
Yeah, what's that? Oh, careful. Okay.
Look at that floor is.
Yeah. Just be careful. The arse over tit.
Oh God. Found my feet then, yeah. My stick just went through underneath that floor, so it's slippery.
is it your leg?
No, it's my back and my neck.
Oh,
It's one of them, doesn't it?
Ground level.
must be a lot of pain.
Yeah. Especially in the cold damp weather as well. When you got some
So,
back,
yeah, because it's the left to sleep. Got a full left.
so slippery.
Back up now. Back up the other lift.
The other one.
It's a nightmare. Down and up, down and up. So,
Dangerous.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
put it down properly.
just be careful.
No, yeah.
Nat tripped over the floor. Leg give away. Lucky.
Yeah.
You can just smack your face on the floor.
Maybe went. You watch the porn still?
Yeah. Going up here.
This floor. Not this floor.
See, bumps here, look. See these?
That's what I slip on. That's what I
See
slip
there,
on.
they probably can't see it on the camera. Look, see, he's walk. You're disabled and it just poof.
Well, I'm still planting now, but I nearly went properly. No, I didn't actually fall on the floor, but I nearly did. Finally got up jelly. Don't break on us.
This is the one you got stuck in. For 2.5 hours.
Yeah, facing that.
Yeah, facing that.
And that. Fella comes in a tomb. It was horrible.
It was when you got 2 young kids, didn't you? 2-year-old kids.
I had to strip all the clothes off the kids.
Yeah.
There was
Yeah, it was bad, weren't it? Just be careful. It's all the bumps, look. That's just gone arse over tit. Look at the state of the floor, look. It's the time now. Picture of this floor, that's disgusting, that is. 2:05. Put a complaint in about that. That's disgusting. Have a look. Show me your legs. Oh, look at your trousers as well. Look at your trousers where you're going to arse over it. I'm going to put a complaint in about that. Got all bruised. Bruised all your knee. It's bruised all the knee. I'm not happy with that, mate. That's the time it happened there. Probably a minute before that. Oh. There's a grip on the shoe, look. Don't lift it up. Don't lift your leg up anymore. I'm going to take a picture of that. Yeah, I will. Look at the state of the floor. And the time is, which I'll show you, which I've just recorded now, probably 10 minutes after it's happened. I'll show you the time. Just so I can't turn around and say it's been moved. All the hands are swelling up now, look. It's gone arse over tit. She's shaking.
Well, it's all swelled up, look. All swelling up. Look, the soles of them.
Not happy. It's about 20 minutes, 25 minutes since this happened. Show me your hands now, Bab. Show us your hands now. I want to document it. So your knuckles up there. You're bashed. You're holding your clutches.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 14:33 cross-country service to
Swelling.
Burnham New Street, calling it Wilnecote.
Forgot to say the date is 10th of February. That's what it is today at Tamworth train station. Well, we're at the station where we're meeting our Blake. That's in serious pain. We've got a coffee from the little shop. Quite a nice coffee actually. Put a complaint in on the train to the bloke and he's given me the number to ring. So we're going to ring them. I'm not happy at all. That look, all upset, ain't ya? In serious pain, crying. That's going to ruin it now, because come the morning, that's all going to swell up on her. And the lad's back, not going to be able to do much with him now. Yeah. So, we'll have to see. But he should be here in about 20 minutes, I think. That's sitting there in pain, ain't you, Bab? All the nerves are kicked in now, all the pain. Trying to control it. Yeah, so 9 minutes away. And then she's panicking about when we get back off the train, she's got to walk through where she fell. Because the floor's like that, I mean, you'll probably see it when you actually see the video.